Ever thought of earning rewards by merely answering surveys? Introducing Survey Spin, a free app that turns your spare time into opportunities. Available for both Android and iOS users, this app has gained immense popularity with over 100,000 downloads. But it's not just about the numbers. The impressive rating of 4.5 stars from 17.4 thousand reviews speaks volumes about its credibility. Survey Spin is not just an app, it is an opportunity to earn rewards in your spare time. Wondering how to earn rewards with Survey Spin? It's simple and fun. You see, there are two primary ways to earn on this platform. The first and most common way is by answering surveys. And here's the best part. Survey Spin has partnered with a wide array of survey providers, ensuring that you have a daily buffet of surveys to select from. Each survey you complete gets you a step closer to your rewards. The second way to earn is through the referral program. Do you have friends who'd love to earn rewards just like you? Well, refer them to Survey Spin, and you stand to gain a 10% commission every time they earn. So, not only are you earning, but you're also helping your friends earn too. With Survey Spin, every survey you answer and every friend you refer brings you closer to exciting rewards. Earned enough and wondering how to claim your rewards? Survey Spin offers multiple options. Once you've managed to accumulate at least $5 in earnings, you're ready to cash in. Now let's explore the various ways you can redeem your hard-earned dollars. If you prefer cash, you can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal account or even opt for a direct bank transfer. For those who prefer a more tangible reward, you can convert your earnings into a prepaid Visa card. But that's not all. Survey Spin also offers a variety of gift cards from popular retailers. Fancy some online shopping? Redeem an Amazon gift card. Need groceries or household items? A Walmart gift card might be just what you need. Movie lovers can opt for AMC gift cards, and there are many more options to choose from. Survey Spin makes sure that your efforts are rewarded in a way that suits you best. Impressed with the earning opportunities Survey Spin offers? This is your moment. Download the app and embark on your journey to earning rewards and gaining knowledge through a myriad of surveys. Remember, every tap on your screen could turn into a reward. And the cherry on top? The referral program that lets you earn a 10% commission on your referrals earnings. Download Survey Spin now and start earning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more such rewarding information.